we want to consider that all things within us, all things within us are made of thought. There's no reality to them. There's no fundamental inherent reality to them. It's thought created values. It's thought created opinions, thought created beliefs, thought created reactions. And again, it's not to write it off or demonize it or, give it less significance. It's to see that it is thought created, just to see in a very neutral way as much as you can. Are my values what I value most? Is it thought created or is it real? Because the world of thought is a world of thought. It's not real. It's temporary. And the world that is real is beyond thought. It's here and now. It's completely neutral, spacious, nameless, shapeless, colorless, scentless. It's beyond the senses, and it is who you are, beyond the thought-created bubbles and structures that are operating unconsciously within you, within me, within everyone. So as we start to see that there is genuinely a world beyond thought, and it is who we are, we automatically, after seeing more and more of it, have a different relationship with thought. Automatically, no effort needed, nothing needed, no doing needed, no education, knowledge needed, nothing needed. In my own experience, I have started to see more and more after I have seen that there is a world beyond thought, the world of beauty, the world of love, the world of intelligence, truth. That is all, never explainable. And then that is who I am. Then thought becomes more and more visible. My values become more visible. Oh, they're created by thought. I see. I still want them. Okay, great. But my relationship to them is different. One of the biggest insights for me was to really see that when we are not identified with anything that's thought created, we're actually so much more loving and so much more welcoming to anybody else's values and beliefs, to anybody else's opinions, their reactions, their traits, whether we call them positive or negative. And the opposite is true. When we are unconscious of the fact that there is a world beyond thought, that is real, and that is who we are, then we often are unconsciously, unintentionally married to the thought-created world of beliefs and opinions. And how you can see that this is true or not is that when somebody with the opposite value or belief you run into that, or is with you, or you're in a conversation with, you're not attracted to it. You're almost like, oh, these are not my people. Right? Ever heard that? Find your people, people that think like you. That is so incorrect. That is so like, it's dysfunctional. To me, it's completely dysfunctional. You'll see that we live in a world like that. People with similar beliefs gravitate, herd together. People with the opposite beliefs herd together. People with this kind of things to value in life herd together. And so on. We do that. I do that. You do that. We all do that. It's human normal. I was going to say human nature, but it's not human nature. It's human normal.